Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adiusi Meliani Putri with student number 1922038 and 6. And on this occasion, I will present the result of the video English Indonesian analysis to recording interpreting process. Before that, I will already choose one video for my analysis. The type of video is simultaneous interpreting, and the video talked about the election situation which happened in USA 8 months ago. Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Facebook, were getting interviewed by Axios in HBO channel. Let's start to the result of analysis. The interpreting process have four process. There are reception process, encoding process, decoding process, and expression process. The first process is the perception process. The perception process is defined as a set of processes used by humans to make sense of all the stimuli that we face. It is basically an interpretation about the situation we are in. The very amazing thing about it is that it is an unconscious process which happens at a subtle level, dozen times a day, and we don't even realize it. For example, the brain need not be told that it is hungry or it is cold outside. Let's take a look at the video trailer for this process.
Putar itu untuk memastikan orang-orang tahu bahwa itu normal. Jadi jika salah satu
on video, the interpreter receives the information of the auditory perception well. It could be seen from the start to finish. She could interpret everything the speaker had spoken without pausing. She did purpose in some part in second 41. She was a bit curious to change the timing in second 39. However, the message will speaker tried to pull out still reached the listener like it's supposed to. The interpreter did simultaneous interpreter, although it did not affect that much. In this situation, she received visual perception by watching the real atmosphere which had happened. The next is decoding and encoding process. Encoding is a process of turning thought into communication, while decoding is the opposite, a process of turning communication into thought. Let's take a look at the video trailer for this process.
Bahwa itu normal. Jadi jika salah satu kandidat menyatakan kemenangan sebelum adanya kami dan yang media lain harus mulai lakukan, ialah menyiapkan.
On video, encoding process, the speaker continually spoke to convey his mind. He sometimes did a bit pause in second 45. The interpreter did the encoding process when she let out the target language interpretation after she did decoding inside her mind, such as purpose in second 41. And for decoding process on video, the interpreter who receive the message as quick as possible try to decipher it into something more understandable in second 15, 18, and 12 before letting it out as interpretation. The encoding process occurs indirectly because there is a language interpretation process using a mental combination in second 26 and second 47. The interpreter receives the information only in linguistic code and depend on memorizing skill. The last one is the expression process. Expression process directly influence the result of the interpreting. Let's look at the video.
kita mungkin tidak tahu hasil akhir pada malam pemilihan. Salah satu hal yang menurutku kami dan yang media lain harus mulai lakukan ialah menyiapkan rakyat Amerika. Tidak ada yang dilarang.
On the video, the interpreter voice should be loud enough for everybody to hear, and it should be smooth and even, and the pitch should be perfect. Of the video could be here that the interpreter did loud enough voice when encoding the message. The voice was bright and the pitch follow how a speaker convey his speech, and she sometimes emphasize some word in second 11 and second 22 to catch the listener attention more. And for the conclusion, the interpreter pronunciation of word should at least be good and consistent. Of the video could be here that the interpreter had a satisfactory pronunciation. Everything she said is clear and understandable. And the last conclusion, the video has all process interpreting. I think that's enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.